Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. And today, singular and plural. As you may know, we sometimes use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts. For example, a pair of glasses. It has two lenses. It's a pair of glasses. It's a pair of scissors. There are two parts. You have a pair of jeans, a pair of trousers. For example, my trousers are too long. My trousers are plural. It has two legs. My trousers are too long. Or my jeans are too short. My pajamas are not warm enough. Some nouns that end in ICS look plural, but actually we use them as a singular noun. For example, athletics, mathematics, physics, electronics, economics, gymnastics. Gymnastics is my favorite sport. Gymnastics is. News isn't plural. For example, I have some news for you. It's very good news. It is, it's very good news, singular. And some singular nouns, usually involving people, are used with a plural verb. Words like audience, committee, company, family, government. The government have decided to increase taxes. Have decided, plural verb. The police are investigating the crime, not the police is. Why? Because with family, the police, the government, you see them as individual people. The government, you see, in England, you see the Prime Minister, the Chancellor of the Exchequer. You see each individual member of the government. It's not a big group. With the police, you see one or two policemen in a police car. You see two or three policemen walking along the street. So you see them as individual people. Your family, they are individual people. Mum, dad, brother, sister. However, the army is seen as a big group of people. You don't see each individual soldier. You see a big group of soldiers. So it's the army is. So there you have it, singular and plural. English grammar, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Bye bye for now.